Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google passwords. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. If you have more than one Google account, click on it at the top and tap on the preferable one. I will stick with that one because I have only one. Now click on Autofill under Ads. Click on Autofill with Google. And in order to disable it, tap on this blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. If the switcher is gray, that means that autofill is disabled. In order to enable it, click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!